Hi, it's Joy with Enjoyed Healthy, and I'm really psyched today because I have my beautiful daughter Nina, and I am so happy that she has the baking bug. And so today I thought I'd share one of her recipes that she just came up with, which is a delicious spicy brownie. So we're going to show you how to make it. Okay, so we have our 8x8 square pan, and Nina has sprayed it with nonstick spray, right?
Yes.
And we lined it with parchment paper. Now we're going to go over to the stove, and Nina is going to show you how to make the butter mixture.
In a small saucepan, I melted a stick and a half of butter, and now I'm going to add half of a cup of Lakanto golden sugar replacement.
This is what it looks like.
I'm going to add a tablespoon of espresso powder. And now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Now you can just whisk that together on low heat. So it took about a minute for the sugar to dissolve. I'm going to put it aside for it to cool. And now we're going to get together our dry ingredients.
All right, well, good job making the butter mixture. Now you're going to put together your dry ingredients.
Okay, so first we're going to take a cup of ancient grain flour.
Oh, sorry.
Then we're going to take a cup of coconut brown sugar. And then half a teaspoon of baking powder. And where's the salt?
Oh, I'll get the salt.
Then half a teaspoon of salt. Salt, not salt. Salt. British.
You're just going to pinch it?
Yeah.
That's a true professional right there.
Then you're just going to mix the dry ingredients together.
That aside. Oh, you're not done with your dry ingredients. Okay, so as you know, we're into your super, and instead of cocoa powder, we're going to substitute a couple of these your super chocolate mixes. Okay, so first we have how much?
Chocolate protein powder.
A quarter cup, right?
A quarter cup of chocolate protein powder.
This is great. It has lion's mane in it and all kinds of delicious stuff. And a boost of protein. Okay.
Then 1/4 of a cup of the chocolate lever.
This is super chocolatey. It's got lucuma in it. Oh, it's got chia seeds in it. Yeah, that's probably easier. I love this stuff. It's just a great way to boost anything that requires cocoa powder in it. So, do you need more?
Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna mix that together.
It's delicious. Okay. This is
nutritious.
Right.
Okay, now we're gonna go back to our butter mixture. Just mix it around because it probably separated a little, but that's okay. Now you're going to add 2 eggs and a yolk.
So 2 whole eggs and an extra yolk. Is that what you?
Yes. You're going to add vanilla, and that is 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
You can just splash it in there.
Oh, okay.
That's what I do. A little extra can't hurt. Okay.
And whisk it. To the dry ingredients, I also like to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. To the dry ingredients, I also like to add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
Nice, that'll be a nice kick.
And also 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon.
She likes it spicy.
Then just whisk it. Okay, so you have your wet mixture and your dry mixture. Now you're just going to add the wet mixture into the bigger bowl.
I'll be your assistant. Good. Okay. Want me to take that?
Yeah. Now you're just going to mix them together. Okay, so we mixed the dry and the wet. Now you're going to fold in a cup of dark chocolate.
We just have dark chocolate we cut up into chunks. I like nice big chunks of chocolate.
Now you're going to pour this into your pan. Okay, now you're going to just even it out. We're using a butter knife.
It's actually an offset spatula.
We're using an offset spatula that looks like a butter knife. Okay, so now
It's pretty good.
this is all set to go into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes.
We preheated it at...
350 degrees.
Okay, what should we do while we're waiting?
We have to mop.
Mop, I just did the floors.
No.
Okay, so we pulled this out of the oven and let it cool for a little bit. If you want to let it cool completely, you can lift this out. That's why we kind of put this parchment paper in there. But we can't wait. Can you wait?
No.
We've got some shopping to do. So we're just going to dig in to this gooiness. So to get the ingredients and amounts and for more information, go to my website, which is...
I don't know.
Stop it. What's my website?
EnjoyItHealthy.com.
Okay, cheers. Thanks for watching.